Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing stable gear and creating safe, flattering light. Mount your camera or phone on a tripod and set a 90-105 mm macro lens or attach extension tubes. This keeps focus distance comfortable and prevents distortion. Once done, set ISO low and shutter fast enough to avoid motion blur, 1/125 or faster if handheld. Position a ring light or diffuse window light about 30-45 degrees off axis to reveal texture without harsh reflections. Make sure the subject is relaxed and can blink freely while you prepare. Now you refine focus and composition to capture detail. You should use single-point autofocus or switch to manual focus and gently nudge the focus ring until the limbus, the border of iris and sclere, is razor sharp. Once that's locked, compose tightly, filling the frame from lashes to iris for impactful close-ups, and use the rule of thirds for placement. Pay attention to catch lights. Angle your light so it creates a single, controlled reflection rather than multiple distracting highlights. This makes the eye look alive and three-dimensional. You finish by taking controlled sequences and verifying technical quality. Shoot bursts across apertures, f/2, 8 for shallow depth, f/5, 6f/8 for more texture, so you can choose the best plane of focus. Once captured, review images at 100% to confirm sharpness on the iris and check the histogram to avoid clipped highlights or shadows. If you see blur or reflections, clean the lens, alter the light angle, increase shutter speed, or slightly raise ISO. One troubleshooting tip: if focus hunts, switch to manual and fine-tune while watching live view.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.